Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add read more button in your Shopify store. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing to do is just to go to our online store where we can modify our theme. So here in your sales channels, click on your online store and from here you find the themes. So basically we need just to customize our theme and from there we can click on customize and basically we need to specifically customize our code. So we click on edit code and from there we will find all these objects. And the first thing we need to change is the theme liquid. In the theme liquid, we need just to add one script. So basically, we need just to use it above the body tag. So basically, we will have our body tag here. You can add it after all the configuration or after all the scripts of your theme. So from here we add this styling and we use these scripts. So make sure to have them like that. And then we will need just to go to any product liquid. So we need just to search for products and from there we need just to find the product uh, details, so not the card, but you can use it for any part where you want to add to read more. So whenever you want to have any information about your product and you want to have the tracked word and you want the read more, you can add these following uh, scripts there. So I'm just going to use it for example for our card products. And from here, you will need just to find the interpolation of our products. So use Control F. And from there, you will need just to search for products. So from here, we need just to do like that and search for the product description. So from here, we do like that and we search for this interpolation. And from here, we click on next and basically it's not there is no product description here, so we need just to find the exact template or the exact object where there is this product description and we click on next and there is not any product description here. So basically we need just to find where the product description where you want exactly to add your own read more, and after that you will need just to for example if we have this product description here, so let's suppose it is there, we need just to change this code or this interpolation with this following code and basically it will become this one, and as you can see this will become the new interpolation for your product description. So you will delete this one and you add these divisions, and by that it will call for the script that we added here, and also it will change its form or its styling to be abstracted words like that, and then you can call for the read more button and click on it and then it will show the full description. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.